Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make avocado egg salad sandwiches. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 6 large eggs, 2 ripe avocados, and 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard and about 1/2 teaspoon of salt. A dash of freshly ground black pepper will really elevate the taste. This recipe is quick, easy, and incredibly delicious for any meal. Now let's get to the preparation. Start by hard-boiling your 6 eggs, then peel them carefully. Once peeled, chop the eggs into small, bite-sized pieces and set them aside. Next, take your 2 ripe avocados, cut them in half, and remove the pits. Scoop out the creamy green flesh into a medium-sized bowl. Use a fork to mash the avocado until it's mostly smooth, leaving a few small chunks for texture. It's time to bring everything together for our delicious egg salad. Add your chopped hard-boiled eggs directly into the bowl with the mashed avocado. Now, measure in 1/4 cup of mayonnaise and 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Gently mix all the ingredients until they are well combined. Finally, season with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a generous amount of freshly ground black pepper to taste. Give it one last good stir. Your easy avocado egg salad is now ready to enjoy. Spoon a generous amount onto your favorite toasted bread, a crisp cracker, or even a lettuce wrap for a lighter option. For an extra touch, garnish with some fresh chopped chives or a sprinkle of paprika. It's perfect for a quick lunch or a delightful snack. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.